Are you waking up tired, feeling bloated, or struggling with low energy, despite eating healthy or sleeping well? It might not be your schedule. It could be your liver crying for help. In just 7 days, using a single Ayurvedic herb, you can gently support your liver, improve your digestion, boost your energy, and even brighten your skin, naturally and safely. When your liver is overworked, it can't filter toxins efficiently. The signs include persistent fatigue, digestive issues, skin problems like acne, bad breath, and brain fog. Your liver is your body's natural filter. When it's clogged, everything slows down. Meet Kalmegh, also known as the King of Bitters. This ancient Ayurvedic herb is one of the most powerful liver tonics used for centuries in India. It reduces liver inflammation and flushes out toxins naturally. You can use Kalmegh in 3 simple ways. Choose the one that works best for you. Method 1. Juice 10 to 12 Kalmegh leaves and drink first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Method 2. Chew 5 to 7 fresh leaves with a pinch of black pepper daily. This stimulates bile flow and detox pathways. Method 3. Boil 1 teaspoon of dried Kalmegh in 2 cups of water. Let it simmer and reduce to half. Drink it warm once a day. After 7 days of using Kalmegh, you may notice reduced bloating, clearer glowing skin, higher energy levels, regular digestion, and a lighter, cleaner feeling in your body. To maximize your liver detox, drink warm lemon water every morning, eat light plant-based meals, avoid alcohol and fried foods, and include bitter greens like arugula and dandelion. And keep moving. Sweating helps your body release toxins too. Your liver works 24/7 to keep you healthy. Give it the reset it deserves. Try the 7-day Kalmegh detox and let us know how it works for you. Don't forget to like, comment below, and subscribe for more tips on natural healing and holistic living.